Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds TCL support wireless charging? In front of me I have wireless charging station. I connected to the power, and we need to put these earbuds to the charging station and then check if something happened. And as you can see, we have the LED light at the charging station, but the most important that we have it on the front side, meaning that your headphones are charging. And because of that, we can use reverse wireless charging, if your phone, of course, supports this technology. You need to go to the settings, then we need to find battery, and in the battery we have battery share. We need to enable this mode, then turn over the phone, and now put these earbuds at the phone. And again, as you can see, we have this LED light, so it's also charging your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!